Namaste. My name is Chen.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले है, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है।
BDT started its journey in the year 1996 by opening a residential deaf school for the deaf and dumb community. Then onward, switched on to the community-based rehabilitation for the disability. We have achieved a lot in education of hearing impaired, and now we are going to achieving the same in the all disabled people of the community, whichever is possible better to get them into the mainstream of the society today. We are very forward to do all the activities which are most possible in reaching the rural people to get them a mainstream to their bright future in our next years.
Hello everybody. Attention please. It's time to look, view, feel, confirm and contribute for the possibilities to generate new abilities from differently abled children. Here, I am proud to speak about one of the organizations working since 18 years for the people with disability. We can authentically prove no such organization working smart for the rural societal needs. This is an organization called Sri B.D. Tatti Anavaru Memorial Charitable Trust. It's a lucky name because it has named as Basatappa D. Tatti was one of the god man of the town, but now he is no more. His grandson Dr. S.J. Tatti and his heartily friend Shri Somnath Mahajana Shettar both have dreamed to start and do something meaningful contribution to the society. Then they struggle a lot in selecting the untouchable and rejected area in the communities, that is deaf education. After selecting the concept, they have worked hard to prove B.D. Tatti's presence in North Karnataka earlier, but now proved its presence in all over the country. These are all because of their contribution, dedication, promptness and commitment. Organization has vision to create equal opportunities for persons with disability to become contributing members of the society. The mission is to bringing the persons with disables to the mainstream of society by creating barrier-free environment and opportunities to lead their life competently. Yes, to follow the above vision and mission, presently running 5 programs in the organization for people with disability. Firstly, pre-primary school for oral deaf education for those who are detected as deaf. Second is residential school for hearing impaired for those who deaf. Third is adult deaf education for either matric pass, fail as bridging them with worthful concepts. Next is community-based rehabilitation program for people with disability. And lastly, early intervention and inclusive education for those who identified earliest age groups. All these programs will follow the below one or the other steps as a service motto to fulfill the needs and desires of differently abled children and people. First, screening. You can see here. It's a formal process to screen the newly born babies at primary taluka health centers and Anganwadis. While using screening kit, the therapist can screen the baby and should identify disability in that baby. assessment. After screening, it is comparative and evaluation study of a present with standard while setting personal goal and strategizing to attain such goals. Once we identify the child as any kind of disability, we'll refer to assessment with respective sections. Third step is therapy, that is speech and physio. After assessment, it's a practice time to regenerate and re-release our energy to support our possibilities. Here, two important therapies mentioned. One is speech therapy, and for those who cannot speak clearly, and physic therapy is all about activation of deactivated nerve system in the children body. This is required for who cannot walk and freely handle their day-to-day activities. Fourth step is classroom practice. After therapy, it's time to show for implementation part. We regularly monitor the students' growth in the education and our DUF school as well as in
a little close, not too far. All I need, all I need, all I need is to be free. A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. All I need, all I need, all I need is to be free.
छू लूं मैं इतना करे चल पड़ो
step is training. After all the committed process towards child development, ultimate is without strengthening the community and community representatives to. We collected opinion from the Deshpande Foundation Fellowship professionals.
My name is Viresh Remat. I'm pursuing a DFP, Deshpande Fellowship Program. Sir, we are really thanks to you. You got more information about Takti School. Really, you're doing the give back to the society some whatever you get from the society. And disabled people means they are unable to hearing. So really, you're doing the
Achieved success in walk independently, speak confidently, participates cultural compensation, gets good results. We proved abilities in disability. All the process will impact us to reach our goal.
Start.
ನನ್ನ ಆಚಾರವಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಣಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಅವ್ವನ ಆಚಾರು ರತ್ತವ್ವ ನನ್ನ ಅಟ್ರಾಚ್ ಎತ್ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ತಮ್ಮ ಊರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಥ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕಥ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಭಾರತ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತಿನ ತರಬೇತಿ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
donation for education. We need donation for foods. We need donation for improved institutional infrastructure. We need donation to fill the need of poor. We need donation to strengthen the abilities while organizing trainings. So this is the first time we merged with Bangalore Cares to show our presence to all of you with institutional abilities. I cares for us. But we runs and cares for abilities in disability. Please don't neglect. It's time to join your hands with us. Please do not wait for the day you prefer, but save the colorful day when disabled starts to suffer.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए चक दे